The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Greensville County in southeastern Virginia, central Southampton County in southeastern Virginia, southwestern Prince George County, Sussex County in southeastern Virginia, southeastern Dinwiddie County, southwestern Surry County in southeastern Virginia, northeastern Brunswick County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Petersburg to 6 miles northwest of Stony Creek to 6 miles south of McKinney, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Carson around 4:40 p.m. Stony Creek around 4:45 p.m. Disputanta around 4:50 p.m. Sussex and Jarrett around 4:55 p.m. Homeville around 5 p.m. Waverly around 5:05 p.m. Wakefield and Dandron around 5:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Booth Fork, Carsley, Booker, Yale, Lumberton, Wharf Store, Hilda, Dory, Templeton, and Gwaltney Corner. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at @WakeFieldUp. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following county: Brunswick, Virginia,